Welcome to Cooking with JJ. Today let's make a pineapple upside down cake infused with coconut. For full recipe, see the description below. Melt half stick of margarine, salted or unsalted. To this, add 3/4 cups of sugar, equal amount of dark and granulated sugar. Whisk. Now, once melted, reduce the flame and add 1/4 cup of good old coconut water. Allow that to bubble for about a minute max, and then you pour your mixture immediately into your baking dish or baking tray. Using your whisk, just spread it out. You can use a spatula, a spoon. Definitely don't use your hands. This is a very hot mixture. Layer your pineapple slices so each slice of cake can have a pineapple when you cut it. Now you notice I leave a little space between each slice so I'll know where to cut the slices once the cake is done. Add your cherries. I recommend non-candied cherries because this is an already sweet mixture. We don't want to make the cake too sweet. Be sure to spray or grease the sides of your pan. Using your favorite white cake mix, add that to a bowl. Using a whisk, create a well. Be sure to remove some of those lumps that may be in the cake mix back. Add 3 eggs, 2 yolks, 3 whites. We're trying to keep the color of the batter. Now to that, add your oil, and we're using 3/4 cup of pineapple juice. Same pineapple juice from the can. Hey, add your coconut oil. Go ahead and whisk it all up. Now, be sure not to over whisk. Whisk it for about 2 minutes or so. Now, a little almond essence goes a long way. Now you see me there patting to remove the air. Hey, add your coconuts and just fold them in. Look at that. Go ahead and pour that batter over your pineapples and just use your spatula to just level it. Make sure all of your cherries are covered. And there you have it. Easy peasy. Put it in your preheated oven and bake it for 35 to 45 minutes. Look at that. Go ahead, enjoy.